Great morning to each and everyone. So for this week, we will discuss transversal and angles form. Mathematics 7, third quarter, week 3. So lesson number 1 for the angles or transversal and angles form. Angles formed by a transversal. What is a transversal? A transversal is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines at different points. Line R and line S are cut by transversal line P. So, through this, we form many angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Angle 2, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 8, ito nasa loob is called the interior angles. And angle 1, angle 4, angle 6, and angle 7 are called exterior angle. Let us take a look at the following pairs of angles and name them. Line R and line S intersect by a transversal line T. So angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7. So ang apat na ito ay tinatawag na corresponding angles. These four pairs, so same figure, angle 2 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 5, these pairs of angles are alternate interior angle. Magka-opposite pero parehas silang interior angles, alternate interior angle. So same figure, angle 1 and angle 7, parehas na exterior angle but in different position. One is on the left and the right side. And another pair of exterior angles, angle 4 and angle 6. So these pairs are alternate exterior angles. So kanina, ang corresponding angles parehas na nasa taas, parehas na nasa ilalim on the same side of the transversal. While yung alternate interior, magkaiba ang pwesto pero parehas na interior. So the same also in exterior, alternate exterior angle. Now, another, angle 2 and angle 5 o parehas na nasa left side ng interior angles. At yung angle 3 and angle 8 ay parehas na nasa right side and they are both interior angles. So these pairs of angles are pairs of same side interior angle. Same side, parehas na nasa left side, parehas na nasa right side of interior angle. Angle 1 and angle 6 parehas na nasa left side ng exterior angles. Angle 4 and angle 7 parehas na nasa right side ng exterior angle. So therefore, these are pairs of same side exterior angle. So, yun ang mga example ng angles na na-form by transversal. Lesson 2, relationships among angles formed. Now, using the protractor, nakita natin itong si angle 1 at angle 4. Angle 1, tingnan natin ha, from 0 degree, dito tayo magbabasa, tumapat ang pangalawang side ng angle 1 sa 50 degrees, kaya ang measure ng angle 1 ay 50 degrees. Next, si angle 4, dito mag-start naman tayo dito ng 0, tapos ang pinagtapusan ay 130, therefore ang angle 4 ay 180. Then if we add 50 plus 130 straight angle 50 degree, 180 degrees, they are supplementary. They are linear or straight angle. So the same din kung then we apply, thus complete the table. Angle 1 ay ano ang measure ng angle 1? 50 degrees. Ano si angle 2? Observe natin, pag binaligtad at inano natin using the protractor, yun din. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. So kung si angle 1 ay 50 degrees, 180 minus angle 1. So that is minus 50. It is equal to 130 degrees. Then, ano naman si angle 3? Angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. They are opposite to each other. Or another one na measure ng angle 2, kahit hindi tayo mag-compute na 180 minus 50, ang ka-vertical angles ni angle 2 ay si angle 4. Kung si angle 4 ay 130 degrees, therefore angle 2 is also 130 degrees. At ang kanyang opposite angles or vertical angles of angle 3 is angle 1, and angle 1 is 50. Therefore, the measure of angle 3 is also 50 degrees. So, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang mga properties na ating na-discuss last week about the pairs of angles. Now, in angle 4, so it is given that using the figure and the protractor, the measure of angle 4 is equal to 130 degrees. Angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. So, corresponding angles na angle 4 ay si angle A. So, corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, angle 1 is congruent to the measure of angle 5. So, kung si angle 1 ay 50 degrees, therefore, angle 5 is also 50 degrees. Then, kung si angle 4 ay 130 degrees, therefore, si angle 8 ay 180 degrees. Now, dahil 130 ang ka-opposite angle ni angle 8 ay si angle 6, therefore, they are equal, they are congruent. The measure of angle 6 is also the measure of angle 8. So, kung si angle 8 ay 130 degrees, therefore, the measure of angle 6 is also 130 degrees. Angle 7, ang ka-opposite ni angle 7 ay si angle 5. So, the measure of angle 5 is 50 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle 7 is also 50 degrees. And ang ka-corresponding sides, angles ng angle 4 is angle 8 and angle 4 is 130 degrees. Therefore, angle 8 is also 180 degrees. So, complete na natin ang measure. Two parallel lines cut by transversal, they form angles that are congruent. And dalawa lang yung measure ng angles. And they are supplementary. So if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then corresponding angles are congruent, alternate interior angles are congruent, alternate exterior angles are congruent, and same sides of interior angles are supplementary, and same sides of exterior angles are supplementary. So, i-check nga natin. So, ang corresponding angles daw ay parehas si angle 1 at angle 5, parehas. Angle 4 and angle 8, parehas. Angle 2 and angle 6, parehas sa measure na 130 degrees. Angle 3 and angle 7, the same measure of 50 degrees. So, alternate interior are congruent. Angle 2 and angle 8, parehas na 180 degrees. So, proven that they are congruent. Angle 3 and angle 5 are congruent and they have a measure of 50 degrees. Alternate in exterior angles, angle 1 and angle 7. Check natin. Angle 1 and angle 7, they are congruent. They have the same measure. Angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 parehas na 130 degrees. Then, sabi pa to also properties natin, the measure of the same side, on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Angle 2 plus angle 5 or 130 plus 50 is 180. They are supplementary, correct. Then angle 3 plus angle 8, angle 3 is 50, angle 8 is 130, 180. So, correct. Then how about the same side of the exterior? angle. There are supplementary angle 1 and angle 6. So 1 and angle 650 plus 130, 180. And angle 4 plus angle 7, 130 plus 50 is 180. So it means this property, wag nating kalimutan na if the two parallel lines cut by a transversal, the corresponding angles are congruent, alternate interior angles are congruent, alternate exterior angles are congruent, same side interior angles are supplementary, and same side exterior angles are supplementary. Okay, in our learning task 1, find the two or the other two pairs of corresponding angles. So angle A corresponds to angle E. Angle B corresponds to angle F. Kukumpletuhin nyo lang. Find the two pairs of alternate interior angles. So ito yung ating interior angles. Ano yung dalawang pares ng alternate interior? The same in number 3, alternate of exterior angles. Number 4, two pairs of same side. O same side daw, parehas na nasa taas at parehas na nasa baba ng interior angles. And the same also in exterior angles. So that is learning task number 1. I hope maliwanag ang gagawin sa learning task 1 for this week. Now, learning task 2. So given lines B, lines and W are parallel and line P is a transversal. Complete the statement below. Angle A and angle M are called, ayan, mamimili kayo diyan ng isasagot kung congruent or supplementary. I-encircle. It means copy and answer ang sagot. So, yun lang naman ang inyong isasagot. So, balikan lamang yung ating lecture about the properties of transversal and angles form. Now, next, fill in the blanks. Given two parallel lines are cut by transversal, complete the statements below. So if two angles are corresponding angles, then they are. Then if two angles, number 2, are alternate interior angles, then they are. Number 3, if two angles are alternate exterior angles, then they are. And if number 4, if two angles are same side of interior angles, then they are. And number 5, if two angles are same side exterior angles, then they are. Answers only in this activity. Next, for a short quiz, or ito yung tinatawag na formative test. So letters only in 1 to 5. And complete the following: I understand that, I realize that, and I need to learn more about. So I hope maliwanag po ang lesson natin for this week about transversal and angles form. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, everyone. God bless.